food is seafood.
What is your favorite? What is your favorite sports like that?
Volleyball.
And then what are you doing every day?
Every day. From now, no more work.
No more work. And then what is your favorite position in sex?
Everything.
Everything. And then how long you been in sex?
It's the first time.
First time sex?
Here.
Foreigner guy?
Foreigner guy. Yeah.
Oh.